2016 Dodge Ram 1500. Got a beautiful license plate on it. Let you guys read that right there. And then what we did on it for you guys is we took the stock converter still on it. Then it's got 3-inch pipe all the way back into a FLOWMASTER Super 10. And then 2 1/4 tailpipes all the way back into 4-inch tips. Right there and right there. We left the resonators on it. Right there and right there. So basically we just replaced the regular muffler with a Super 10 FLOWMASTER. There's the old muffler that came off of it. Right there. I'll let you guys hear in a minute. 2019 Dodge Ram 1500 Classic Edition. Beautiful orange color, Hemi. Still got the stock converters there and there. Then it winds into a single 3-inch. Then we did another 3-inch all the way back into his tailpipes, which are 2 1/4. So basically we did a muffler delete right there. And then we left his stock tips and tailpipes. Right there and right there. Still got the resonators on it. Right there and right there. That's the stock muffler we took off of it. Big boy. Huge. We'll let you guys hear in a minute. Big horn edition. Boom. 4x4. Sounds perfect.